Hey there guys, Chet here. One of the most powerful things you can do in Pipedrive is set up emails that go out automatically based on what happens in your pipeline. No manual sending, no forgetting to follow up, just the right email landing in your contacts inbox at exactly the right moment. In this video, you're going to learn how to build an automation that sends an email every time a new deal is created in your account. But before we dive in, special offer. If you go down to the description of this video and click the first link, Pipedrive normally gives you a 14-day free trial with limited features, but through my link, you'll get a full 30 days with every feature unlocked for free. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount is applied automatically when you use my link. That means you're going to be using the same powerful Pipedrive that everyone else uses for less than what they're paying. And then on top of that, you get exclusive access to my complete Pipedrive course that walks you through every single feature in detail. This is the best deal you'll ever find, on Pipedrive. So make sure to check out that first link. Once you've grabbed the link and your account is all set up, go ahead and log into your Pipedrive account and follow along with me. From the left side navigation bar, click the three dots icon at the bottom to expand the menu, and then click Automations. This will take you to Tools and Apps, Automations. The Automations page loads showing the templates tab by default. That's with pre-built automation templates and filter buttons at the top, including Home, Email, Campaigns, Activity, Deal, Lead, and there's a few more. You can browse these templates if you want, but for this tutorial, we're going to build one from scratch. Click the plus automation button at the top right of the screen. The automation canvas editor opens and you will see a blank workflow with a dashed trigger block on the canvas. On the right side panel, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger type. Now you'll see two options: event trigger, which starts the automation when an event occurs, and date trigger, which starts the automation based on a date field. Click Event Trigger. The right panel now shows a Select Item dropdown, so click it, and a list of options appears, including Activity, Deal, Lead, Organization, Person, and Project. Click Deal to set deals as the trigger item. After selecting Deal, an Event section appears below with three buttons: Added, Updated, and Deleted. Click Added, so the automation fires whenever a new deal is created. Then click the green Apply Trigger button at the bottom right of the panel. The canvas now shows step 1 as deal added, and a second dashed block appears below it. The right panel displays the next step options, including instant condition, if else condition, wait for condition, action, and delay. Click Action to add an email action. The right panel will update to show a list of action types, including Activity, Asana, Campaign, Deal, Email, Lead, Microsoft Teams, Note Organization, Person, and Project. Click Email to expand those options and click Send Email. Now, one important thing to note here: each email option shows a warning icon if your personal email account is not yet connected to Pipedrive. If you see a message saying your email account is disconnected, click Open Settings to connect to link your Gmail, Outlook, or other email account first before moving forward. You need your email connected for this automation to work, so once the email action is selected, click the next button to open the email configuration fields. In the To field, enter the recipient, for example, sarah@brightfuture.com. Now, in the subject field, type the email subject. For example, thank you for your interest, Bright Future. In the message body area, type the email content you want to be sent automatically. You can also use the insert variable option to personalize the email with dynamic fields such as the deal name, contact name, or company, which makes each automated email begin to feel more personal, even though it's going on without you even touching it. Now, once the required information is entered, click the Apply Action button at the bottom of the right panel. Once the email is configured, click that Save button at the top right of the canvas to save your automation. After saving, give your automation a clear name by clicking on the title field at the top, which defaults to a timestamp like Untitled 3/25/26. And then typing a descriptive name is important. For example, send welcome email on new deal. A clear name makes it much easier to manage your automations as you build more of them over time. Finally, to activate the automation, toggle the active switch at the top of the canvas to the on position. Once active, Pipedrive will automatically send the configured email every time a new deal is added to your pipeline without you having to do a thing. And that's all it takes for you to set up automatic emails in Pipedrive. Once this is running, you'll never have to manually send that first touchpoint email ever again. Every new deal gets the same professional, timely response while you focus on the conversations that actually need your attention. But before you go, make sure that you don't miss out on that special gift. Head down to the description and click the first link to get your 30-day trials completely unlocked with all features for free. Remember, you also get my full Pipedrive course for free, which covers every single feature in detail. It's only available through that specific link, so make sure you check it out before you close this video. If this video helped you at all, hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming Pipedrive tutorials. And if you have any questions about building more advanced automations in Pipedrive, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.